Azales here. This day 2 of the great southern snowstorm. Feel good about progress of snow melting, but still snow and ice that needs to go. So quick walk around the yard and an assessment of how things are going. Afternoon in the backyard. The sky is a big, beautiful, clear blue. See how things were going with the snow melting. And coming across to where the kuntis are, they were buried in snow, grass now uncovered, and the water is seeping into the ground. The smaller Fakahatchee grasses are upright again. The oak tree is looking good. And my grass garden, all of my Fakahatchee grasses are upright, as well as the muley grasses. Behind them in the corner is the wax myrtle, and that looks okay. Along the back fence line, the evergreens are the Florida anise. I don't know how they're going to respond to these consecutive days of below freezing. Review of what's happening here in the side yard. While we do have afternoon sun, we still have a covering of snow, and it's actually looks like it's got ice on top. The plants that are along the fence line, which are Florida anise and some ferns, look okay. Parts of the side yard have some grass patches. I was hoping that we would see more receding snow, but I guess you take what you can get. The Pindo palm looks good. I was afraid maybe there would be some dead branches from all the ice on it. Sometimes there's a delayed reaction with plants to some of this freezing temperature, ice and snow. But underneath it, the green area continues to enlarge. If I was going to give the backyard a 50% for snow clearing, I would have to say this is maybe 15% on the side yard. The front of the house, there's been more snow melt and a lot of water coming off the side along the drip line. The front yard area that gets a lot of good afternoon sun has been cleared off. The very front of the yard is a more shady area, and the snow and ice is still there. I give the yard 60%. The road is clear. I have some icicles hanging on my Walter's viburnums, Mrs. Schiller's, and I'm hoping with another couple of hours of sunlight that will be gone. Red spider lilies down at the bottom. The ice has melted. Hopeful I'll still have some azalea blooms into February and March, and I'll have some camellia blooms. My azaleas and camellias are there with deer protection around the camellias and the azaleas around the water oak trees. Feeling hopeful as the snow is pulling back, and we'll just have to see in the coming weeks what kind of long-term damage the plants had sustained from several days of below freezing temperatures and the snow. The reason I'm concerned is because of our planting zone, which is now 9A, many of the plants are hardy to zone 9 and warmer. They are not zone 7 that I planted in a zone 9 area. If they were in cooler zones like 7, I don't think I would have concern for their long-term health. This is going to be a big learning opportunity for me, and I will be calling on resources that I have with the cooperative extension at the University of Florida through the Master Gardener program to find out if they have any gardening tips that I need to include in my tool bag of things to do for maintaining healthy, thriving garden. Thanks for watching. And if you have anything to share with me about the plant recovery, please leave me a comment below. Greatly appreciated. More videos if you're interested, and subscribe if you're not already. Garden Yay!